Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Lid Plus app. So let's get started. So here it is very easy. First of all, you have to open your Google search bar and you here have to search for the app. If you are an Android user, then you can use your Google search bar also and Play Store. If you are Apple user, then you have to strictly use your Apple Store. So at here you have to open it, and then here I can say the Lid Plus app. So from here you can directly click on the install button. It will automatically download and install the app and you can use it. So if you want to give the ratings from here, you can also give it and read others too. So this is how to install the Lid Plus app. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.